Hello everyone, welcome to Wi-Fi, and today we are going to be reacting to KonoSuba, an explosion of this wonderful world, Season 1, Episode 5. And I believe in the last video, we saw Megumin obtain 2 ducks, and as a result, she got more points to graduate early. However, Yun wanted to graduate at the same time as Megumin. All of a sudden, these gargoyles are now attacking Megumin's village, and she had to go home to see if her sister's okay. However, their house was broken into. What's gonna happen next? Let's find out together. And if you guys are enjoying the anime reactions, like and subscribe. Here we go. I love my daily recaps. But anyways, let's see what she's up to. Alright. There was a goblin trying to figure out a puzzle. That's interesting. Listen up, kid. Don't mix me up with some goblins. Yeah, that's kind of mean. It's Komeko. But you really shouldn't talk to that thing, Komeko. That is like a demon thing. The Dark God Wallbox right-hand man. The high-level demon host. Remember the name. Oh. I don't think that's cool. That's evil. I like the cut of your jib, kid. Maybe they can become friends. Oh, are you kidding me? Hey, she solved it for the goblin thing. Highly discouraging. She doesn't know that it's a bad guy, but I'm going to give her the benefit of the doubt here because she's a little kid. Okay. Now it appears that they're hanging out. Komeko, good to see you again. Here's the offering. Nice, well done. I know you had it in you. Poor guy. What is that? Chicken, egg, and rice. Cool. I got it from the stalker guy. Mate! That's his lunch. Okay. A hen and its chick. Oh. Whoa. Be patient with the kid. Hey, it's the kitty cat, Ink. Man, I keep getting misled on when the intro is starting. I'm home. Welcome home, sis. You caught something? Yep, a big one. So that's where Ink came from. Yep. No, don't eat the cat. That's gross. Episode 5, prelude to the explosion of madness. Yo, that's crazy. That's so scary too. Is Megumin's sister gonna be okay? Bro, this is scary. Bruh. Komeko. The ink. No. 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 Can someone help out that cat? Megumin, don't make Yun cry. Making Yun cry is highly discouraging. Hey, take that cat and incur with the wrath of my little sister. She's gonna throw that. Bruh. Bruh. Watch out. Not the cat. Inky, no. Okay. Yeah, you gotta find your sister first. Okay. Yep. I'm so she's out there somewhere. Yeah, true. I'm just be optimistic, you know. Places she'd go. I found a toy, so I'm gonna be playing with it too. You wanna try a toy? I figured it out. I hate that I have, but I did. Oh no. Come on, Megumin, she can't possibly be there. Wait, but it's a start. Give me back my food. Oh no. Yo. I don't know where to start here. Same. True. It seems that my little sister is the big deal, the big cheese. Huh? Your adventurer card. A genius of my caliber should be able to hunt monsters with ease. True! No matter how long it takes. Even if it takes decades. I can still learn explosion magic. Having a hard time letting go, right? Let's go, Yun Yun. Lightning! Fire! Komako. I'll save Inky too. Hurry and find the adults. True. Go, Megumin, go! Yun Yun was pretty great back there, huh? Yep. Indeed she was. She acted where Megumin hesitated. I'm so used to the sight of her cowering. True. Yun Yun, smart. Yep. My rival is going to be treated like an intermediate school underachiever for the foreseeable future. Yep. Yep. Okay. She's saying all those good things about Yun Yun. Yes, she is. Cap, Megumin is crying. What's up, sis? You're tired of running? You need to stay at my side the whole time. Got it. Yeah, true. I'll make sure you get her back. Yep. I'll try my best. You can't just try. You have to promise not to go after them. True. Well, this is no good. It looks like Yun Yun can handle them all by herself. Is that a bad thing? Uh-oh. 3 more have approached. Uh-oh. No, don't. No. No. Kameko? What is wrong with you? Yeah. She's not sorry? I thought they ran as well, but they turned around. I'm not pending and prayer this mage like you. Blah. A bold statement from someone using intermediate magic. Whoa, chill. Magic is magic. Fireball. Fireball. Dun 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 dun. Yoo-hoo! They just got incinerated. This girl is unbelievable. It's egg. Oh, is Yun Yun okay? She used up all her magical power. I haven't exactly. I still don't think learning explosion magic is a good idea. Yeah, it's not. Okay, true. That is true. She did learn intermediate magic to help out Megumin. You're just twisting things to suit you. Blah. Nee-chan. Why is there so many? They have to get out of there.
私の強大な魔力に引き寄せられて。
Most likely.
そうか。
I get it. The adults and other teachers are hurting them this way.
まとまったところで一掃しようとしているのよ。
Okay.
ここだったら人がいないから。
True.
魔力に上級魔法を打ち込む。
True.
私たちがいるのに。
They don't know that. They have to get out of there.
お前なんで
Is
すか。
it you?
いつもモンスタ
I've
ー
always
が
been
私を
attacked
襲
with
うのは
monsters with ink was
黒を
with
連
me.
れていたからだ。
True.
めっ子はパズル、いや、
Uh-huh.
写真を封印するかけらで遊んでた。
Yep.
何より写真の下僕が目撃されるようになったのと黒がうちにやってきた時期は一致する。
True.
どうしたの？
It's the cat's fault.
頭が痛い。私の脳が
My brain is trying to keep me from thinking any further in a self-defense mechanism. Oh, that's true. Okay, yeah, true. Look at all that chicken. Ooh, chicken. What chicken? Oh, that's not chicken. Oh no, this is really bad, is it? Yeah, it is bad.
ユンユンはもう動
You
けない。
can't move. Carry her and get
私は
out.
魔法を覚えて二人を逃がさない。一度も魔法を
I
使った
never
こと
used
がな
magic
くて
before.
体を巡る
But my
魔力
constant
の扱い
instincts
は
let me understand how it flows through my body. Okay.
覚悟は決めた。
I know what I have to do and I won't regret it.
頑張れる。
I can do this.
スキルポイントは万全。上級魔法、クリムゾンレーザーかライトオブセーバー、
Light of Saber.
はたまた
Or maybe. Wait, what? Explosion magic. That's it, right? What's wrong?
メグミンってばとうとうゴリちゃんが壊れた。
My sister snapped.
ユンユン
Union, Kameko.
頭を低くして伏せていなさい。
Alright, is she gonna do explosion magic?
全スキルポイント
Utilizing all skill points? Oh, here it comes! She's crackling and popping. What is she up to? That is crazy, man. That is absolutely insane. So insane, I had to look away for a second. Oh, Magamine's powering up like Super Saiyan 2.
知りながらもずっと
Okay.
求め続けたこの魔法。それは始まりの炎。
The sparks of Genesis.
それは終わりの炎。
The embers of oblivion. Past, present, and future.
万象を超え
The
る
forbidden
禁断の
force that
力。
subsumes all consumption.
我は破壊者。
Flame, I am become destruction without mercy. By my blood, by my flesh.
古き
The
神々の
commandments set by the old
今や
gods are now. Let's go!
操れし者。食らうがいい。
Behold my power! Explosion! Fire! Boom! Let's go! Yo!
これです。これが見たかったのです。なんという爆裂。
What power! What explosion! What a feeling of satisfaction. Uh-oh, she's gonna faint. She blew up all the chickens. I'm so happy for Megumine. She actually learned explosion magic. Megumine, what are you going to do? It's supposed to be a goddess of... Okay. Okay. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Ugh.
里の人たちは
The adults of the village,
まさか
understandably.
この写真の封印を解いたとは思わず、そして
Yeah. Okay.
私が爆裂魔法なんてものを習得
Bah.
したことに知りはしない。
Mm-hmm.
今日はあなたを占って
I think I'll tell you a
あげようと
fortune
思ってね
today. What's the fortune?
始まりの冒
The
険
town
者
of
の
Vuki
街
Adventures, Axel.
そこであなたは
After enduring many
様々な
hardships,
困難
you
の
will
末
encounter wonderful
素
new
晴ら
friends
しい
there.
仲間たちと出会うでしょう。
Yep,
その
true.
人たちはとて
They're
も
very
優
capable
秀
and
優
capable, huh?
あれ
Uh-oh. Whoops. What did you see? What happened? And since we had learned magic,
完了した私たちは週末に
we were told to
二人
come
の
to
卒
school
業
the
式をや
weekend
るから
as we were graduating by
その時だけ学校
ourselves.
に来いと言い渡された。
Congratulations on congratulating. Congratulations to me too.
何を泣く
I have
よ
no
うなこと
idea
があ
what
るん
she's
ですか
crying
こ
about.
んな紙一枚
All they
渡され
did
て
was hand us a slip of
もう来なくて
paper
いい
and
って
told
いう
us
の
not
が
to come
当たり前
back.
ですか
Blah.
頑張ったねっていう
It's the way of saying we did a good job.
はいはい
Yeah, true.
ねえめぐみ
What is she gonna do now? She's gonna head for Axel, obviously.
それはもちろん
Now that I
爆裂魔法を
mastered
習得した今
explosion magic,
私こそが
I need
最
to
強
part
の
of my
魔法
journey
使
to
いで
make
あ
the
ることを
world
世に
aware of my
知らしめる旅に
supremacy.
出るのです
Ooh, that's interesting.
まあその前に
Granted, before that
里を
happens, I
出る
need to
だけの
save.
お金を
True!
使わなりません
You need to
けど
save
ね
money in order to leave. Maybe get a part time job.
それならいっそ本当に
Yeah, you should form a pact and make a. You're true, true.
大切な使い魔ともなればいくらコメッコちゃん
True, yep.
使い魔か
Hey! Ink has a cross on her head.
使い魔にする魔法使いというのも悪くなさそうですね
Yep. Talk. Wait, what?
私の使い魔にするのも悪くな
I
さ
was
そう
just
です
saying
ね
making her my familiar was a great idea.
そうです
Yes, and if she's to be my familiar, she
い
should
く
get
ら
a
も
proper
このま
name.
までは
True.
気が悪いですねえクロちゃんが
Ink
正
is
式
not
名
her
称
name
じゃダメな
officially.
の
I
ダメ
like
です
it. Hmm.
決まりました
I've got it.
ねえめぐみクロちゃん
Oh,
って
she's a
メスだから
female.
その辺もちゃんと考えた可愛い名前にお前の名前はチョムスケ
Chomosuke.
そう
Chomosuke. It is. Huh? That's funny. Sounds like a villager from Minecraft. That is going to do it for me today. Thank you guys for watching this anime reaction video. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to reach 21,000 subs before my birthday. Support towards this goal is much appreciated. I also upload daily. And until the next one, have a great rest of your day.